Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. This is biology session. You're watching reproduction, the generating system, part 10. Okay, we have completed the meiosis, and after that about reproductive health we are discussing. Let us continue the same. Reproductive health. If we follow the simple lifestyles as cited below, one could avoid many sexually transmitted diseases. What are they? Number 1, avoid sex with or multiple partners. Even though contraceptives are available, it is better follow ethical and healthy life practices. Contraceptives means such as condoms or any other spermicides or ovicides, whatever may be the devices. Okay, you must restrict to the ethics. Okay, healthy life practice is very important to stay healthy. In case of doubt, see a qualified doctor for early detection and get complete treatment if diagnosed with disease. Okay, so they are very important. Avoid and get protected knowingly. So that's why what do you call the full form of the AIDS? Acquired. It is not inborn, it is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. To avoid such diseases, you have to be in control. Okay, so next come to birth control methods. It is very important to know about birth control methods because the population is increasing day by day. Increase in the population leads to so many problems, socio-economic problems. Okay, so how the birth control methods? The sexual act always has potential to lead to pregnancy. The pregnancy will make major demands on the health will be adversely. So therefore many ways have been devised to avoid pregnancy. Okay, they are called birth control methods. Any device or chemical means any drug which prevents the pregnancy in women is called a contraceptive. Okay, they are called contraceptive methods. The birth control methods can be of various types and can be used by any of the partners, husband or wife, according to their preference. The physical devices such as condoms and diaphragm cap are used. So this prevents the reaching of the sperms to ovum for fertilization. So whatever the contraceptives methods are there, they will prevent the process of fertilization. If fertilization occurs, then only pregnancy. Okay, so these contraceptive methods will help in preventing the fertilization process. So this device not only prevents fertilization but also transmitting some sexually transmitted diseases like gonorrhea, syphilis and AIDS. So no other method of contraception provides the protection against the sexually transmitted diseases. Okay, so the chemicals in the form of pills and they are induced either orally or inserting into the female reproductive organ, vagina. It contains hormones which stop the ovaries from releasing ovum into the oviducts or fallopian tubes. Nowadays, the pills for males are also available. These pills kill the sperms and hence they are called spermicides. The use of intrauterine devices called copper T, loop, etc. are also very effective in preventing unwanted pregnancy. So this is a device called copper T. It is used to prevent fertilization. Okay, it will stop the ovum to enter into the fallopian tube, and it will prevent the fertilization in the fallopian tubes. The use of intrauterine devices called copper T loop are also very effective in preventing pregnancy. If a woman uses a copper T as a method of contraception for avoiding unwanted pregnancies, they cannot protect her from acquiring sexually transmitted diseases. The surgical methods of birth control. These are permanent methods. The surgical methods of birth control are available for males as well as females. In males, a small portion of sperm duct or vas deferens is removed by surgical operation, and both ends are tied with a thread, surgical thread, properly. It is called vasectomy. It is called a vasectomy. So here you can see image here, vasectomy, cutting the ends of vas deferens and are sealed. Okay. So this is a small incision. The blood supply, vas deferens, and epididymis and testis. Inside the testis, the spermatozoa are produced. So in the vasectomy, this vas deferens is tied. A small insertion is made and tied so that the spermatozoa may not enter into the vas deferens and come out through penis. Okay. So this is a permanent method, vasectomy, in males. Whereas in females, a small portion of oviducts, the fallopian tube, is removed by surgical operation and cut ends are tied. Okay. So this prevents the ovum. See here, small cut is made and tied so that the cut ends of fallopian tubes are sealed so that the ovum may not enter inside, and the process of fertilization is prevented permanently. So this prevents the ovum from entering into the oviduct. This method is called as tubectomy. Okay. In males, vasectomy is done, and in females, tubectomy is done. The best birth control methods. Now finally we can discuss about the fighting against social evils. What are social evils? Which is not a society. The things, okay, the behavior. Okay. So teenage motherhood, the social evil. Do you accept? Definitely. We have studied how complicated the process of reproduction is. The childbirth is even more complicated. So understanding it and getting prepared for it needs the maturity of the mind and the body. Thus, a girl only after 18 years of age can be said to be prepared for the same. So most of the times this age is also dangerous to the girl. Okay. So according to the Department of the Family Welfare, 21% of teenage mothers died due to this unwanted pregnancy or delivery. 21%. So girls below the 18 years of age should not be married. It is a social evil. Imprisonment may occur. So stop a female forced. So it is another very important. Who knows today's girl child may become a great scientist, a famous doctor, a top class engineer, a dedicated administrative officer, a world renowned economist, a wonderful teacher of an unmatched world leader of tomorrow. Isn't it? So, stop female foeticide, killing the female babies. It is very, very social evil. It is a criminal act. Stop female foeticide. Save the girl child. Due to reckless female foeticide, the male female child sex ratio is declining at an alarming rate in some sections of our society. Our government has already enacted laws to ban it has enacted a law to ban on determination of sex of fetuses, the predetermination of the fetus sex, whether it is male child or female child, knowing it in advance, it is a social evil. Okay, knowing after killing the female child, female fetus, it is a criminal act. Okay, so even in spite of laws, it's a responsibility of us to prevent the female foeticide. It is a social responsibility. Okay, why doctors are prohibited to do the sex determination through ultrasound scanning for the pregnant women? So actually, this ultrasound scanning is used to know the growth of the fetus, how the changes, how the development of the fetus is taking place. But particularly if it is used, but using this ultrasound scanning for determining the sex, it is for determining the sex determination, that is male or female child, and revealing that secret to the parent is very dangerous. It shows its impact. Okay, so that's why everybody, I don't know, so why do people wants a boy? Okay, so both according to the laws, according to the present government rules and regulations, so equality is given for boy child and girl child. Equal priority, equal opportunities. The government is also providing the equal opportunities for males and females. So just the boy and girl, they are same. Okay, so stop female foeticide. It's very important. Why the doctors are prohibited to do the sex determination through ultrasound scanning for pregnant women? So we know that if health is lost, everything is lost. Okay, by this doing the female foeticide, the health of the mother is also affected. Lot of blood loss. Okay, it is a kind of murdering, killing. So it's our responsibility to be healthy and to make others realize the importance of health. The sound body is sound mind. Okay, to be an ideal citizen, the ideal citizen of India, we should have knowledge of reproductive health, not only to control high population growth, but to create a healthy society. It is very, very okay. Whatever you are learning here, so that must be implemented, that must be useful, that must be associated with your general life. Okay, children. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the icon for receiving latest updates.